Welcome to Study Loop.
So the person has jumped to a height of 1.25 meters and a horizontal distance of 3 meters. Now we want to find out how long he was in the air. Now it takes the same amount of time to reach the highest point from the initial point as it takes to go from the highest point to the ending point. So we'll simply find the amount of time it takes during the falling part. Now the distance is given by half gt square. If you remember your second kinematic equation, S is equal to V naught T plus half AT squared. And in the y direction, the initial velocity here would be 0. And the acceleration will be equal to the gravitational acceleration. And this equation gives us the equation for the time of flight, which is root 2 h by g. So the time is square root of 2 times 1.25 meters by g is almost 10 meter per second square. So that's square root of 2.5 by 10, which is 1 by 4. And square root of 1 by 4 is half a second. So that if it takes half a second to do half the jump, the total jump takes exactly 1 second. That is your hang time. Now, what happens if the athlete jumps 6 meters instead while reaching the same height of 1.25 meters? The answer is the hang time would still be the same because the vertical motion has not been affected. It only means that the jumper launched himself with a much larger initial x velocity compared to